Hi, hello love, hello fans, hello everyone. It's long time. It is a long time I didn't come to my channel to make a video to teach my people, my love, my fans because personal reason. Today I'm here to teach my people a few secrets and apologize to my love, my fans. All our baby white company people come on my only voice to apologize for all our fans, all our people, all our clients, all our loves who have a bad luck to going buy the fake baby white product. It's not our fault. It is a bad people fault because there is a people who very close to me who's going to fake my products. They are make a same bottle like mine. They are make a same logo like mine. They are make everything like mine. Only the product is not the same like mine because my product is original product. Her product is the fake product. So many people who use the fake one are coming to complain to our company. There are a lot of people complain about the fake on my Instagram page, my Facebook page, my YouTube, my WhatsApp inbox. I'm so sorry about that. This is not intentionally. This is not our fault. And we are promise you to make a big effort to to stop all this rubbish because we need a few time more. We need a few time more because we are thinking how to do it so that we can stop it forever. So for people who going to buy bad hand to get the fake product who have acne problem, what does that mean? Acne. This is 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 acne. Me, I'm not have acne problem because I use a fake products. Sometimes people can have acne. I just wait time who I have acne so that I can come to my social media to explain to people what is acne, what you can do when you have acne, and the rapid solution to stop the acne for your face because acne is not a good things for face so that you can stop it and you can have your facial very smooth, very good. So I come to explain what you can use to stop it in 10 days or 1 week. Okay, people who have acne, you going to chemist. Chemist is pharmacy. You asked about Cutacnil 10. Cutacnil 10. That means Cutacnil 10. It is something like Deposon lotion, but it's not Deposon lotion. I just explained to you how is it. It is like Deposon lotion, but it's not this was Deposon lotion, and it's not same kind of product. Cutacnil this is a Paris product, and it's very effective for for pimples. If you didn't get Utacnil 10, you asked for Acnefluge. And I'm telling you, Acnefluge is more effective than Cutacnil 10 when your acne is a high class acne. When your acne is I don't know how to say it is the big degree acne. So you use Acnefluge. I repeat it, Acnefluge. When you get all these products, you use it. You don't need to use the two together. It's either you get the first one, it's either you get the second one. When you use it after 1 week, when you have a good skin, when you have a stubborn skin, after 10 days, you must tell me. So I just come today on my social media to let you know when I say acne, what I mean by acne. So after 10 days, I promise to coming back to make a video when I will have a clearly face after using acne flush. I will come to show you how will be my face. Okay, thanks to everyone. Now, the next step is the people who have stretch mark with the fake baby white product. For stretch mark, I know something natural you can use for stretch mark is palmers. You know palmers? You can use the palmers oil, or you can use original coconut oil. When you put it, for people who don't have money, you can take the coconut oil, the original one. You just press it on the stretch marker line. You push on the stretch mark line and you rub it well. You rub. And when you rub, you leave it, you are going to sleep. It's not you put in your cream. And when a baby Y24K have stretch mark oil, so our stretch mark, no, our own is not oil, it's serum. Our own is serum. You can use a baby white serum stretch mark. It's very good, very effective. People who have tried can say yes, our stretch mark 24K oil is effective. And what again? Because when the stretch mark is coming, it cannot go back again. Only can come small. When it's large, it can, when you use something, how a strong stretch mark, when you use it, you rub it, your stretch mark can come small when it's large, or when it's small it can disappear small, but stretch mark never go for life. If one people tell you stretch mark will go in for life, this is a lie. I don't need to lie to my people. I need to tell them the fact so that we can be friends along. So that you get a Harvard serum stretch mark, you put for the line and you rub, you leave, you're going to sleep. When your stretch mark is large, after you will see it will be closed. Okay? Then for what again? People ask me about people stretch mark and dyed skin. Thank you, my love. My love complained for me about dyed skin. They say this fake baby white product they use is giving them dyed skin. First of all, when you have a dyed skin, you need to go to spa to control your skin, because some people have a stubborn dyed skin. When your dyed skin is stubborn, you need to go to make how to say, in French we are saying gommage. You need to go to make a spa to make gommage for your body. You make as 4 or 5 times along, so that the dyed skin will come out. And when there is no dyed skin, easy for the product to work. And the fake product are giving the dyed skin, and the fake product don't have power to remove the dyed skin, but the product is original. It have a power to remove the dyed skin. So when your dyed skin is removed, you need to go into spa. They will make your body for you, your face, After that, you can get argan oil. Argan oil. You rub it for 2 weeks. After you're going to treat your body in spa, you try to use argan oil every day for 2 weeks. Then you now can start a new Baby White original product. And don't forget, my love, I telling you, when you want a Baby White original product, just going to our page WhatsApp 0022997685843. Please, when you give message for us and we don't reply you, just be patient because we have a lot of people online. We are replying. Okay, just drop your message. If we don't reply you today, tomorrow, or the next tomorrow, we will reply you. So this is the only way you can get the original. You drop your message, we will direct you for the people where you can get the original everywhere you are. So that this is what I have for you this morning. And I want to let my people know the black injection line is available now. All quantity, any quantity you need in our office in Cotonou, and in Iyabolaji office in Lagos, and in Janet office in Lagos. Everywhere in Paris we have it. The blue line injection, we have it in stock. The orange line injection, we have it in stock. And all our line tube are out now. The tube, the glitter tube, the glitter injection tube is out now. The soap is out, the serum is out, the lotion is out, and we have a new lotion is already out. The Kojic, we have the half cast and the peeling. All these are out now. So please, we are very sorry for people who get the fake one. So next time, try to join us on 0022997685843 to ask us first for fall before you buy your product, so that we can direct you where you can get the original one, so that you will avoid for the fake one. My love, a Baby White product is still working. People are using it and know that it's still working. Don't because you get the fake to discourage. You need to continue, because now we are make a big more effort more than before. Just try our product. You will not disappointed. I'm telling you, my love. I love you too much. Please, just go to our office in Cotonou. You go to Yabalaji in Lagos. You go to Janet in the Lagos. You go to, just go to the place where you are sure. Don't buy a baby product for everywhere. If you don't have a trust in somebody, please don't buy my product for him, because it's possible maybe he's selling the fake. Okay, so a Baby White love you. So please, all this product you are complaining about, sharp everything, belt to Areg, the tube, the brown, the supreme, the terminal white, the Kojic white, the blue line, the orange line, purple line, red line, white line, everything are in stock now. For Nigeria people, please going to Iyabolaji in Trade Fair Atiku Plaza. And for Janet, she is in Ikeja. And for people who is in Paris, Ireland, Canada, US, UK, Australia, you can get back to our distributor in Paris. Her number is just give us message on 00229685843, so we can give you the direct line to our distributor in Paris, and Yabolaji number also. Okay, Baby white, love you. Bye. Ciao. So in 1 week or in 10 days after using Acne Fluge, I will come make another video so that we can see the results, my love. Bye.